How to quickly blend objects in Unreal Engine 5. In this scene, the objects on the left blend unnaturally with the ground, whilst the objects on the right blend smoothly. You can see some difference. So I select this object and open it. I find this material, and now I find this material and I open it again, and here I will type the data temporals. Select it, press the M keys and the left mouse button. Next to the pixel text offset, press the 1 keys and the left mouse button and change the value. Apply it, save it, and you will see some strange shadow. And here I close the cache shadows, and you can see something different. While this method is fast, it has limitations. It doesn't catch shadow. It's better to use a runtime virtual textures. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.